Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can hide your Instagram's online status. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Now if you hide your Instagram's online status, people will not know when you were last online or whether if you're currently online or not, alright? So that's basically what it is. Now let me show you how to hide it, alright? First you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen, and it's going to bring you to your profile of your Instagram. Once you're in your Instagram profile, at the top right corner you can see the 3 line, also known as the hamburger menu icon. You want to click on it. Once you do that, from all these options, you want to click on where it says settings. And once you're inside settings, what you want to do is at the top where it says search, you want to type in the search bar, and over here you want to search ACT, and you can see where it says activity status. And if you don't see activity status, make sure to just type activity status fully, then it should display you. Click on activity status and it's going to bring you over here. And right now my activity status is turned off, which means nobody can know if I'm online or offline or when I was last online. So you need to make sure this is off for you as well, so nobody can see it. But if you want other people to know when you were online or when you were offline, you can just click on this. If it is on, then people will know you're online, offline, and if you want to hide, just turn it off like this. So it's as simple as that. Once you do that, then you have hidden your Instagram's online status. People won't know if you're currently online or not. So that's how you guys can hide your activity status, also known as your online status on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.